If you love the beauty of Halong Bay but prefer a quieter, more serene experience, Lan Ha Bay is your perfect escape. Lan Ha Bay lies to the southeast of Cat Ba Island, with over 300 limestone islets and emerald waters. As a peaceful extension of Halong Bay, it offers the same majestic scenery without the crowds. Let's explore 15 luxury cruises that deliver style, comfort, and unforgettable moments. Orchid Cruise is a top-tier choice for travelers seeking elegance and comfort in every detail. Each spacious suite features a private balcony and luxurious bathtub, allowing you to unwind with a view. With curated excursions like kayaking in Aoek and cave exploration on Cat Ba Island, the experience blends natural discovery with refined relaxation. Mon Cheri Cruise pairs French sophistication with Vietnamese hospitality. The ship's interior is modern yet cozy, with jacuzzi-equipped suites and thoughtful touches throughout. Guests can enjoy mini-golf on deck, work out at the onboard gym, and savor beautifully presented meals crafted from both Eastern and Western influences. With a warm ambience and inviting decor, Peony Cruises is ideal for couples and small groups. The rooftop pool offers a perfect spot to unwind, while the spa provides deep relaxation. Guests can kayak around the Trabou area, then return to elegant dining and gentle bay breezes under the stars. Azalea Cruises is perfect for travelers seeking a balance between privacy and connection, with spacious rooms suited for couples or families. Itineraries often include cultural immersion in Viet Hai Village and peaceful moments paddling through quiet waters. Its outdoor bar and attentive service make for unforgettable evenings at sea. Dora Cruise offers a stylish escape with a modern design and high-end amenities. Guests can relax in their bathtub with panoramic views or enjoy a movie in the onboard cinema. The rooftop bar, spa treatments, and personalized excursions make this cruise a well-rounded luxury journey. Calypso Cruise brings you back to classic Vietnamese maritime heritage with elegant wooden finishes and cozy interiors. It's ideal for nature lovers, offering trekking tours in Cat Ba National Park and scenic kayaking routes. After an active day, unwind on the spacious sun deck with a tea or cocktail in hand. Perla Dawn Sails combines heritage and hospitality. This traditionally styled junk offers intimate mornings with Tai Chi on deck, guided visits to local villages, and seafood dinners beneath the open sky. It's a cruise for those who seek peace, reflection, and cultural connection in every moment. A floating blend of Indochine charm and modern comfort, Indochine Cruise delivers a serene sailing experience. With its vast cabins, vintage-style interiors, and enriching activities, it suits travelers who appreciate design, cuisine, and quiet routes through less touristy parts of the bay. Rosy Cruise appeals to couples looking for elegance and tranquility. Marble-finished bathrooms, private balconies, and a hot tub on the upper deck offer perfect spots to watch the bay's changing colors. Its smaller capacity ensures a more intimate and personalized journey. La Casta impresses with its panoramic windows that blur the line between your suite and the sea. Onboard activities include a fun cooking class and scenic kayaking, while sunset cocktails on the upper deck provide a picture-perfect close to each day. Ginger Cruise is tailored for discerning travelers who seek thoughtful aesthetics and calm. With handcrafted decor and refined Vietnamese architecture, each cabin feels like a private retreat. Enjoy guided walks through Cat Ba or relax in the onboard wellness studio. UniCharm keeps things personal. With fewer cabins and quieter excursions, the cruise takes guests off the typical path. Bike rides through Vide and close-up views of floating houses make the journey feel immersive, authentic, and refreshingly unrushed. Perfect for short-time travelers, this catamaran offers a luxurious half-day experience. Guests can stretch out on lounge nets just above the water, swim in secluded lagoons, and enjoy scenic sailing without needing to stay overnight. It's fast, fresh, and stylish. Dora Cruise is designed for both rejuvenation and romance. Its private in-room jacuzzis and full-service spa are balanced by sunset drinks in the open-air bar. Between guided kayaking and elegant meals, you'll feel both energized and deeply relaxed. Genesis Regal is vibrant and versatile, a cruise where relaxation meets entertainment. It's ideal for groups or multi-generational families, with everything from karaoke and pool time to spa indulgence and quiet, starlit dinners on deck. Lan Ha Bay is more than a destination. It's a feeling, a place where limestone peaks rise from quiet waters, and time seems to slow with each passing wave. These 15 cruises aren't just about sailing. They're about discovering the art of traveling well. Choose the one that speaks to you, and let the journey begin, not just through the bay, but into the heart of Vietnam's serene coastal soul.